Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Apollo Group TV account. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your Safari. Once you open your Safari, on the search box below, you'll have to type in apollogroup.tv/portal and then press on go. This will take you to their login portal. If you don't have an account yet, you may tap on create account or create free trial account, which will allow you to create an account free of cost, but only for a certain limit of time. If you do have an account, then you may proceed with logging into your account. You will first have to enter your username in the first text box. Then you'll have to enter your password in the second. In any case, if you do not remember your password, then you may click on the Forgot Password link right below the Create Free Trial Account button. Once you make sure you filled in both your details correctly, then you may click on Sign In, which is above the Create Account button. This will simply allow you to log into your account. This is how you can easily log into your Apollo Group TV account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.